Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Simon and we are the whales of Wall Street. Today we are going through Verasity on a quick chart update. So we have had interesting movements here in the declining positions. The MACD has indeed not crossed over yet. So Verasity is actually in a relatively good strong position still despite this decline. That doesn't mean it won't change in the next 40 hours or so. Let's keep an eye on it. We're moving slowly into the mid channel of the RSI, which is expected because we had such great movement here. Again, as the rest of the market, 21st July is that pinpoint of starting the rise. We had a good step ladder approach here, sideways trading, and an upward fantastic momentum here. However, this area here to here, you can anticipate a potential 50% retracement. That is why we put these purple lines in, and particularly this one down here, which indicates just slightly over, I think, 50%. And you can always try and potentially anticipate that movement. We did, over the last couple of days, mention this area here for an opportunity, and here. We hit this one, and in fact, it actually went even lower. So there's a couple of guys in the comments that were mentioning about hitting between 0.03, so 3 cents, and the 0.27 mark. We actually exceeded that, but the retaliation was good. We have seen the candle wick look quite big on this area here on the downward section and pushing back up here. So this is really good news from that aspect. And in fact, we could potentially look at arguably an area where we might see some opportunity of bouncing up here if we can get stability above this line, because I do anticipate we'll still have a bit more of a downward move. We can start getting a support mechanism at that 0.27. It's really important because if you look way back, we went past it over here, we tested it around, well, not massively around that area, but certainly here in this section, just here, and these sections here. This is really important area. If we can get resistance at here, as we have done today, and close a couple of closes up here, we could see some sideways movement. We might see an upside. We may not even go and test these areas down here. You're literally about this line. So this next 48 hours, I think, is critical. If we can stay above the 0.026, 0.027 mark, we will be in fantastic land here, and that will show a fantastic growth pattern for Verasity, slightly different to the majority of the market out there right now. But I have, as I mentioned, put in a buy-in potential order here. This is not financial advice, this is what I've been doing personally. We hit these two, absolutely fantastic. Yes, it went lower, you can't do much about that. All you can do is anticipate and be strategic as much as possible on those areas. If we come back down to here, it could be a 0.24 kind of area. I'm not really anticipating us going much further down than that because I think Verasity has good momentum here, and that would be, I think, more than a 50% drop if we went beyond this area. And that would be quite disappointing from a project perspective, back down to 2 cents. But we'll have to see, guys. Anything is possible. But these two areas, 0.027 and 0.022, are very critical in my opinion for support, new support lines. Other than that, we are down 17% on the week, and the month we're still up significantly. So there's a bit of good positivity there in the sense that we're just having a bad week. It's understandable. Profit has to be taken, guys. On the way up, always try and anticipate good sell points along the way, because you never know when that's stopping and dropping. This here is a good indication of that, and you always do with these kind of moves in an upward trend like this. It wasn't a gradual move, it's quite a big impactful move. You will start seeing impact decline as well. So let's see where we end up. If anything critical happens over the next couple of days, we'll update Twitter and we'll try and get a video out as well. But yeah, just keep an eye on these areas, guys. And let us know in the comments below if you're holding Verasity, your thoughts on Verasity moving forward. We really do appreciate the comments, and we love to respond as much as possible. Like this video if you found it informative, and please do subscribe if you've not done so already. And that wraps up Verasity, guys. I hope you found it informative, and we will see you in the next chart. Take care, and we'll see you soon.